Well, guys, in this class, we're going to discuss the geography and tourism of Chile. Okay, Chile, which is the southwestern country in your South American continent. Okay. So, okay, before entering to this country, okay, I have added here flag, guys. Okay, so this flag, if you can observe this flag, here you can see the green color, okay, square, white color rectangular shape thing, and your reddish color. This your white color, it resembles the uh, mountains of your Chile. And when you talk about this star and the five direction of the star, that resembles the growth and development part of your Chile. And blue part, it resembles the ocean and sky of that country. And finally the red color, it resembles the soldiers, okay, who lost their lives, okay, to contribute to the Chile. So that is to represent all those things, they have made this flag. Okay. Yeah. When you come to this Chile, guys, okay, Chile, here you can see, okay, so this is in the shape of Chile itself. Okay, ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ shape ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, same it resembles with that. Okay, Chile, like that you can remember, okay, the map of your Chile. Again, when you talk about the neighboring countries, your Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina. Okay, so these things, Peru. Okay, here at the northern part, again we are having Peru, Bolivia, okay, and Paraguay, Argentina. These are the neighboring countries of our country and Chile. And towards the western part of Chile, it has a Pacific Ocean, guys. Okay, and here somewhere you can see the Easter Island. Can you able to see this? Pacific Ocean allada order Easter Island ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Guys, can you able to see Easter Island towards the western part of your Chile in the Pacific Ocean? Guys, are you there? Akila, Harsha, Siddesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Easter Island ಕಾಣ್ಲತ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Pacific
Yes,
Ocean Chile ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಈಸ್ಟರ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Okay. Okay, it's a part of a Chile, guys. Okay, that island has been ruled by this Chile people. Okay, so Easter Island is also a part of a Chile that we have to remember. Okay, because again, Easter Island, it's again one of the major tourist attraction of a Chile. Okay, so basic information of your sorry, il Peru ಅಂತ ಬಂದದ actually this. Okay. So we'll move towards the basic information of Chile. So as we are aware, the continent is South America. Then the IATA area, it is IATA area 1, and the official language is Spanish. Okay, more number of people, again, they use Spanish language to communicate in this country. Okay. And when you talk about longitudinal extent, it is in the western hemisphere with 71 degree, that is the latitude. In the southern hemisphere with 35 degree towards the south, and GMT lines -4 and -6. Okay. Tourism tagline, all are welcome, that is the tourism tagline. And visa facility, prior visiting to that country we need a visa as an Indian citizen. When you talk about the capital city Santiago, largest city Santiago, then currency, it's a Chilean peso. When you talk about the major cities, Santiago, then Punta Arenas, then Castro, and Vina del Mar. Okay, these are the major tourism cities. Okay, again the Santiago is the center part, guys. Okay, and the neighboring countries Argentina, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Peru, as I've shown you in the map itself. And this is the area, and this is the population of that country. And a major religion is Christianity. Okay, when you see this map, okay, again here you can see this. Okay, it is situated. Okay, where is the position of your Chile ಅಂತ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ south western part of South American continent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Southern part and western part. Okay, south western part of South American continent, that is the position of your Chile. Okay, and Chile, it extends 4,300 kilometers from north to south. Okay, ಲೆಂದಿಯಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಟು ಸೌತ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, 4,300 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, 177 kilometer. Okay, that's the maximum again. And the country, it is divided into 15 regions. Okay, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರೀಸ್, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇವರು 15 regions ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. Again, this country, it has over 2,000 small and big islands. Out of these 2,000 small and big islands, Easter Island ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ದಲ್ಲ, that is the major island again. Okay, and yeah, so that is what the neighboring countries. Okay, yeah, when you talk about the physical geography of Chile, okay, the northern part of the Chile is desert, and central part of the country, it has the temperate region. Okay, where major, okay, where you are not having too much heat or too much cold type of a climate. Okay, type of climate you will going to see in this central part. Okay, that's the reason this central part of Chile, it attracts the major population. And your capital city of Chile, that is Santiago, that is also located in the central part of Chile, that we have to remember. Again, when you come to the southern part, okay, southern part of your Chile, it has lakes, and it has the forest region. Okay, and next thing, okay, you have to move towards the major tourist attractions. Okay, so this is the list I have added, and the explanation will go through later. Okay, here San Rafael Glacier. Okay, then there is one national park. This is the glacier, this is the icy land. Okay, if you want to enjoy the ice part of your Chile, then Rafael Glacier, that is the part. And if you want to enjoy the flora and fauna of the Chile, then Luca National Park is the popular one. And if you want to enjoy the island, okay, island with very less number of populated thing. Okay, so that is Easter Island. Again, Santiago, which is for your city tour, for your heritage part of your Chile, whatever you can say, which is the capital city and largest city of Chile itself. And last thing is Los Penguinos and natural monument. Again, this is the place where they have preserved penguins. Okay, so that is again variety of penguins. Okay, you will going to see in this place. Okay, that is what the highlight of the tourism attractions, from major tourist attractions from your Chile. So if you talk about interesting facts, guys, again Chile, it has a few of the interesting facts in it. Okay, where again first thing which I have added here is this country. Okay, being a small country, it has the largest swimming pool in the world, guys. Okay, this again you can see approximate 20-25 acres of land ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ. To cross from one end to another end of that swimming pool, you have to take a boat. That is the option. Okay, you swim ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it's not possible. That much of huge swimming pool this is. And this swimming pool, it is not a public one, this is the private property. There is one resort, okay, in front of the resort, that is the resort property. Okay, the guest of that resort, they can enjoy this swimming pool. Okay, so first interesting fact, first thing which we have to remember regarding this Chile is Chile, they have made the world's largest swimming pool in their country. Okay, so that is there. Again, it is in the Santiago city, which is the capital city and largest city of our Chile. Then as I told you, the northern part of your Chile, it has the desert. So this Atacama desert in Chile is one of the driest places in the world. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಹನಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಾಯ್ತು, ಯಾರು ಮಳೆದ ಹನಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, no one has seen the rain in this place, guys. Okay, so so they have considered this Atacama Desert as the driest places on the world ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Okay, so that is also one of the interesting place which you will going to see in the Chile. Next, again, Chile, the capital city, Santiago, whatever we say, Santiago, it has South American continent's highest building. Okay, when you talk about the South American countries, among them, this is the highest building. Okay, so the building name is Costanera Gran Torre. Okay, Costanera Gran Torre. That is the highest building which you're going to see in the Santiago city, and that Costanera Gran Torre, that is the highest building in this whole South American continent. Okay, and built around 2006 to 2013. It makes it means around 7 years they have took to construct this building, and the height of this is 984 feet, somewhere around 1000 okay, feet. 984 feet. And what this building has, it has the Siddesh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, there was network issue. Okay, and let me know about the screen, guys. I have to share it, right? Once again. Guys,
Yes.
can you tell me whether you can see the screen?
Yes, sir. Now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So this Costanera Gran Torre, that is the highest building which you're going to see in throughout your South American continent. I'm not only talking about Chile, throughout your South American continent's highest building. Okay, so that is there, and they have built it around 2006. They have started the construction and they have completed it in 2013. Okay, so the height is 984 feet, around 64 floors. Okay, 64 ಮಜಲಿ building ada, and in that building they are having their Chile's largest shopping mall. Okay, this building has, and it has few of the hotels, it has few of the offices. Okay, so that is about this building. Then Chile, it has oldest mummies in the world. Okay, oldest mummies. Okay, ancestors ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಏನ್ಸಿಯಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮಮ್ಮೀಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದು ಚಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ oldest mummies are known as Chinchorro mummies. Okay, so that is there in the Chile. Okay, I have added the image of that also. Okay, so they have made a collection, and they have preserved it in the museum. Then Chile, although it's a small country, as I told you, it has a number of volcanoes, guys. Okay, 2,900 volcanoes, active volcanoes you will going to see in this country. And this country has seen the world's most powerful earthquake. Okay, and many times the earthquake ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೆಂಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತವ್ರು ಎದ್ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಾಂತ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವೋಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. And next interesting fact about this Chile people is, okay, they love this bread, guys. Okay, bun ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅವರಿಗೆ. Okay, they are the second biggest consumer of the bread after Germans. Okay, German ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವರೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬನ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. Okay, bread. Then Chile, that is the biggest copper producer in the world. Okay, Chile, when you study the top 10 producer of your copper, top 6 you will going to see in the Chile itself. Okay, mining places. Okay, so that is the reason this Chile, it exports a lot of copper to the whole world. Okay. So So these are what few of the interesting facts, okay, which we have to study regarding this Chile. Then yeah, so again, this again, one of the interesting fact is Chile is the world's narrowest country and see some in few of the places it is very narrow, guys. 45 to 50 kilometer narrowest of the okay, it means within one hour or one and a half hour you can travel from one end to another end of this Chile, from east to west or west to east. Okay, as to narrow the and yeah, we will move to quickly we'll move towards the tourism attractions of your Chile. Okay, it will take hardly 5 minutes, guys. Okay, I will wind up it. San Rafael Glacier. Okay, so again, this San Rafael Glacier, as I told, this is the snowy place. Okay, if you want to reach this snow land of your Chile, you have only two options. Okay, one, you have to trek towards that place, and second is you can catch a you can board these boats and you can reach to those glaciers, and you can view that beautiful scenery of that glacier. Then next attraction is Luca National Park. As we are aware, whenever we talk about the national parks, okay, it is made for the preservation of your flora and fauna. So again, this it is somewhere around the park area covers around 1300 square kilometers, and this Luca National Park, it has a few of the volcanoes. It is popular for flora, fauna, that kind of a thing. Okay. Next is Easter Island, as I've shown you in the map itself, towards the western part of your Chile. Okay, in the Pacific Ocean island, the Pacific Ocean, there is one island called Easter Island. Again, when you talk about this Easter Island, it is in this uh, Pacific Ocean island, and it's a territory of Chile. And here, what you can say, the this Easter Island, it is somewhat popular in the history because of its few of the statues, whatever you will going to see. Okay, so the island is famous for 887 extant monumental statues. Okay, here you can see in this image. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ image ಅಲ್ಲಿ size ಸಣ್ಣದ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, broader view ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, but when you see this statues height around 10 to 15 feet ಆ ತರ height ಅದಾವ. Okay, and the statues, they have called it as their Maui. Okay, Maui people create ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅವರು. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿರಂತ ಜನರ, okay, Maui people, but again, they don't know, okay, whether they were their gods or why they have done all this kind of a thing. Okay, and yeah, so that is about the beach and that kind of a thing. Okay, and next thing is Santiago. Okay, as I told you, this is the capital city of Chile and the largest city also. Okay, and this city, okay, when you want to enjoy this city tour of Chile, then Santiago is the best place. And Santiago, it has that tallest building. Okay, so again, yeah, this place, in this place you can do the shopping. Okay, you can make this as the central point for your Chile's tourism tour, and you can move to north and you can come back to the Santiago again, or you can move towards the southern part and you can go to the Santiago, like that. Okay, you can make this as the central point for your activities, and it has few of the galleries, museums, and that thing, restaurants, and that's the thing. Yeah, again, this Chile, it is also popular for its wine tourism. Again, if you love wine, or if you are having curiosity to visit the vineyards, you will going to see plenty, where you will going to see the opportunity. Okay, where they process the wine from by taking the fresh grapes. Okay, they convert it into wine, and you will get an opportunity to taste the fresh wine. Okay, that activity, if you want to do in the Chile, that is also available. Then last attraction, guys, okay, in my bucket list, which I have added, is Los Panginos Natural Monument. Okay, so again, this is the place where they have preserved somewhere around 60,000 breeding pairs of penguins. Okay, so again, when if you want to reach this Los Penguinos area, you have to take the guided tour. Okay, guided boat tour. Okay, it is in the island, so you have to take the boat, that to guided boat tour. Tour ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ. There will be a guide with you who will explain all those kind of activity of those penguins. Okay, so that is about the last attraction of your Chile. So by this, I have successfully completed your first and second chapter, guys. If you're having any doubt in this, you can ask me a doubts.
No, sir.
Zubair, Nirali, Siddesh, Veeresh, the Veer. Nirali, no doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Veeresh, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Zubair?
No, sir.
Okay. Siddesh, any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Then last option is I need to wind up, right? Okay. Tell me something about your place situation, guys. How is about COVID situation in your localities or in your cities? ಹರ್ಷ, ನಿಮ್ದು ನ್ಯೂ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ
Seal
ಕಾಲೇಜ್
down area.
ಏನನ್ನತ್ತ?
Seal down area, sir.
ಸೀಲ್ ಡೌನ್? ಅರೆ ಬಾಪ್ರೆ, ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್. one family ಒಳಗ 8 members ರೀ ಸರ್. one family ಒಳಗ 5 members ರೀ. ಆಜು ಬಾಜುದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಇಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಅರೆ ಬಾಪ್ರೆ. ಹಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಹೋಮ್ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದಾರ?
ಸರ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಮ್ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಯಾರು ರೀ?
ಹೋಮ್ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. Zubair, where are you? Anand,
sir.
Where?
Yes, sir.
Anand, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, वहाँ पर कैसा है सिचुएशन?
इधर तो सब ठीक है सर, थोड़े बहुत केसेस नहीं, 5-6।
ओके, उतना ही है. दैट्स गुड.
हाँ सर.
निराली, आपका संगमेश्वर कॉलोनी क्या बोलता है?
3 ಮಂದಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದನಾ? ಓಕೆ.
3 ಮಂದಿ.
ಸೇಫ್ ಇರ್ರಿ, ಓಡಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ, ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲನಿ?
ಊರಾಗೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನಾಲ್ವರ್ದಾಗ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದ.
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ವೀರೇಶ್
ವೀರೇಶ್,
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲನಿ?
ಸೇಫ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಆದರ್ಶ್ ನಗರ್ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಆದರ್ಶ್ ನಗರ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಮೊದಲೊಂದ್ 2 ಕೇಸ್ ಬಂದಿವ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೀ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ವೆಲ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗ, ಇವಾಗ 3rd and 4th ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ. ಅದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5th ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾ, ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಅರಬ್ ಎಮಿರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಕಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 3rd and 4th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 5 to 6 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ನಿಮ್ 3rd and 4th. ನಾನೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಟು 5th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 countries. We will complete that and we will come to the 3rd one. How it will be?
Okay, sir.
ಸೊ ನಮಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Fine,
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತ, ಯಾ 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ
Yes,
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
sir.
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 6 ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಓದೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ 2.5 ಒಳಗಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾವು 5th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಫರ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರತ್ ನಮ್ಗ.
Okay, sir.
ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ
Third
ಜಂಪ್
is-
ಟು 5th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್
Yes, sir.
ಮಾಡ್ತ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ ರೀ sir.
Then can I wind up, guys? Thank you, Apes. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Apes. Thank you very much.